Hello, we are here to expand your microscopic explorations and explore the mysteries of nature. In today's episode, we dive into the incredible world of dragon fruit, a tropical delicacy and visual feast under the microscope. In our first image, we see the cells of the dragon fruit in vibrant magenta colors. These bright hues are a reflection of the natural pigments that give the fruit its distinctive color. These tiny dots may actually represent cell nuclei or perhaps nutrients. When we look more closely, we can see more clearly the complexity of cell walls and the interaction between these walls. These structures help us understand how the fruit grows and how it stores water and nutrients. This examination of dragon fruit under the microscope is a great example of how science and nature are intertwined. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your comments for more microscopic adventures. See you in the next exploration. Stay healthy and curious.